Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you that how to apply an image on a text and make an amazing effect. So let's start the video. Before starting, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. First of all, open Photoshop and import your images. There are two images which I use in this video. This one is the first and this one is the second. If you want to download these two images, then the link is in the description of this video. You can download it for the practice. First, I want to apply this image on a text. Select the type tool, then write any text. By pressing Ctrl T, you can resize it. So if you want to support my channel financially, then check the link in the description of this video of my Patreon. You can support me on Patreon. So I am using a bold font in this image. If you are a Patreon of my channel, then you can download this font for free. Now put your text layer, then drop it down to your image. Now press and hold Alt key, then click between these two layers. It will make a clipping mask of your image and apply that image on our text, which is under that layer. So now when you resize this text, it will automatically adjust on that image. So now I want a new effect on this image. Select the type tool, then write your text. Put this layer under the image layer and first make a copy of this layer. Now press and hold Alt key, make a clipping mask of this image. As you can see that it has been applied on the text, but I want to add that building in the letter O. So select the layer copy. By using any type of selection tool, make a selection of this building. After making the selection, click on the mask. So as you can see this, I think I have left this area. So now make a mask around it. So as you can see this, that we have added the building in our this image. So as you can see this, that it is looking more beautiful than the before. You can simply erase it from here by selecting the eraser tool. Which looks more beautiful. So I hope you guys will enjoy this tutorial. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon also to get instant notifications of my new videos. At this moment, I want to thank GSK Gupta, who is supporting me on Patreon.